Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this vegetable slicer. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you what you get. Okay, so in the package you get a manual, you get the slicer, cleaning brush, and it looks like hand slice tool. So it does give a warning. Be sure to use hand guard to prevent any injury. Be careful during use and storing because you can really hurt yourself with this. So these are the different attachments that you have. This is the one you got to really be careful with because it is a very, very sharp razor blade. Be careful with the spikes as well. So that's for something, let's say an apple, you can really get grip. So what you do is you put it on there, and then as you apply pressure down like this, and you're scraping along like that. Your attachments place in just like that. They just pop in from the top. Again, be very, very careful when you're putting your attachments in. You can really hurt yourself. I can't express that enough. So there is a basket in here as well. So it goes like that. You line up the lid, slice, slice, slice. So whatever you're slicing, your vegetable goes like that. Do not do it by hand. Do not go like that. You need to use this. And take your time. It's not worth going to the hospital. Just slice like that. It's very simple. This hand guard, it's completely sealed off to protect your hand. And don't go like really rough. Go slow. Slice, slice, and slice. For taking these off, you see those little clips right there in the left and right there in the right. You push back on that. So I would not do this like this. What I use is a knife, and you just go like this and you push it back, and then it will allow you to drop it down.